Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change X or Twitter username. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the X app. Click on your profile icon at the top left. Now scroll down, locate and click on Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Privacy. Once you select Settings and Privacy, locate and click on your account. Then click on Account Information. Once you selected account information, locate and click on Username. Then here you should see your current username. To change the username, go ahead and delete the existing username. And then type in whatever you want to use as your username. And if the username is available, you should see a check mark that says the username is available. And if it is not available, you should see that the username is already taken. So make sure the username is available. And after that, go ahead and click on Done. And once you hit the button, this is going to change your Twitter or X username, and then you're good. So that is basically how to change X or Twitter username. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.